Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the AI tool which you can use to create content, to write any copy. Okay, so basically you can use ChatGPT to write or search for anything. Okay, so first of all, type ChatGPT in your search bar and go to this website openai.com, and here try ChatGPT. So as you can see, I am already logged in into this. Otherwise, if you have not created an account, you need to create an account. I have already logged in. Okay, so here you can see, you can type anything, any of your query. Okay, let's say I can write here benefits of learning C. Okay, so it will start typing. Okay, start listing the points. Okay, you can use ChatGPT to write your social media post, or for Facebook ads copy, to search for any query. Okay, you can use it in the way. Stop generating. Okay, so it has listed all the benefits of learning C programming. Now let's see. I'll tell him write a caption for Instagram. I am feeling happy. So it will start writing the captions. Okay, it's like a screening from year to year because happiness is contagious. It has also given me some sorts of hashtag also. Okay, uh, let's say write an email to my prospects about my latest course, communication mastery. So it has started writing the email. Now let's write some other thing. Write a verb email in friendly manner, friendly tone. Okay, so you can see how well it has written this piece of article. It's great, right? So you can use this tool to generate any piece of content. Okay, so just try it out and let me know. So try it out and let me know if it is helpful. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.